What is going on, folks? It's Rigormortis, and I am gonna be bringing you guys yet another video today, and this time it's with a little bit of bad news. This is the first time I'm talking about this stock on my channel, but I recognize that some news just came out, and I think it would be an injustice if I didn't talk about it. Full disclosure, I am invested in this company, and at this point, where the price is at right now is way below my cost basis. So let's go ahead and talk about Workhorse here for a second. Now, the reason this company got so hyped up over the past few months is because they were just they're in line. Essentially, they're in a three company fight right now to get a USPS contract that's worth what people are saying up to 6 billion, and some people are even saying that it's higher than that. And they are one of three finalists for this contract. And so you see, there was this crazy run up for Workhorse up to around $30, and then it fell again because the contract was delayed, so it slipped down to $15, and this was a part of a broader EV market sell-off as well. Then it climbed way back up here to almost $30, to almost $29, I should say, and then it fell a little bit again because today was a bad day for the EV market. But unfortunately, as you see here, it has absolutely tanked in the aftermarket, and that is because the USPS has been delaying when it's going to announce who won the contract for the $6 billion. And unfortunately for us, the last time it was delayed, it was said that it was going to be announced at the end of the year. And now a report just came out. I know you guys are seeing the news down here that the contract is not going to be announced until early 2021, in Q1 of 2021. Now, where does that put us with Workhorse? I think it puts us in a really strange situation because, if I'm being honest with you guys, I was going to make a video in the next couple of days saying that we expect there to be a crazy run up for Workhorse with the USPS contract, hopefully to be announced at the end of the year. That's no longer the case. Now, what we're going to be seeing is very bad market sentiment, a very bearish market for Workhorse. That's going to lead to a crazy sell off, in my opinion, which it already has because, now we're sitting at around $19. $19.50. And so what's going to be happening is there's going to be bad sentiment around this stock. I think we're going to slip back down probably to $15 levels, if I'm being honest with you guys. And I think that this is one that we just have to keep on our radar. At this point, for me, I'm going to still hold my positions because I do believe in the company fundamentals, and I think there is still a chance that the USPS contract will get announced in Q1 of next year, and hopefully at that time there will be a run up. But like I say to you guys, obviously this is all speculation, and this is most definitely not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. And personally, I do believe that Workhorse has a reasonable shot, if not a good shot, at getting at least part of the USPS contract. It's just a matter of when it's going to be announced. Now, my frustration is definitely not targeted toward Workhorse. I think they're a reasonable company that has really good ideals, and they're doing a good thing for the delivery sector and trying to electrify those vehicles. But my frustration is at the USPS, and I understand we're in the middle of a pandemic and things have gotten tough, but they've just delayed this contract decision for so long, and every single time it happens, it really hinders this stock. So I think a decision just needs to be made as quickly as possible. Either Workhorse gets part of it, Workhorse gets all of it, or Workhorse gets none of it. I think that last option is probably the lowest likelihood. I think the most likely scenario would be that Workhorse gets some of it, and then that'll be good for the stock, obviously. But other than that, I think we just have to wait. Even if Workhorse doesn't get the USPS contract, I don't think it's the end of the world for this company by any means. I'm a long-term investor in a company like Workhorse, but as of right now, I am a little bit frustrated about what's going on in the market. Either way, let me know what you guys are doing down below. I really like hearing from you guys in the comment section. We are literally so close to 100 subscribers. We are right there. So hopefully by the end of the day today, we'd be able to hit that mark. If you guys liked the video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you guys are new around here, subscribe, join the family. I make these stock videos every so often, and I try to put you guys on to plays that I'm potentially looking at. Like I said, I usually don't say whether or not it's a buy or a sell opportunity. I like to mention that a little bit for me personally, but I tell you guys what I'm doing and then let you guys make your decision based off of that. So do a little bit of research, try to figure out what's going on with this USPS contract, and let me know what's going on down in the comment section below. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace out.